changing the shift by the order from 1 to 5 micromillimeter to 2.00 mm, which is ascending order, and shift the fine aggregate so that the small stone do not enter the sieve.
Measure the sieve weight.
Measure the sieve weight and record the data into the table. And don't forget measure the bucket weight before pouring the sand into the bucket. Take the fine aggregate from the designated sand area outside the workshop. Measure the fine aggregate according to the weight given, which is 1.4 kg. Next, pour the fine aggregate into the sieve and make sure the fine aggregate does not spill out from the sieve. Bend forward to a 90 degrees angle and rotate the sieve until we get the final result. Measure each sieve with the retained fine aggregate on it. Lastly, put the result from the sieve rotating technique into the table and total the retained fine aggregate.
Measure the sieve weight before pouring the coarse aggregate in. Take the coarse aggregate from the accumulated pile outside the lab and put the stones into the bucket. Measure the coarse aggregate according to the given stone's weight. Pouring the coarse aggregate into the sieve and make sure the coarse aggregate does not spill out of the sieve. Put the sieve in the sieve shaker machine and set 10 minutes and wait for the machine to stop. Next is to measure its sieve with retained coarse aggregate on it and record the weight.